Hey guys, I just wanted to show around my little business. This channel is called Spencer-3D. I'm a small business, and Spencer-3D is on eBay. And this channel will be talking a lot about 3D printing, mostly nozzle 3D printing, a little bit of everything, the ups and downs of it, what you can do when starting a 3D printing business, things you gotta deal with, talk about machines, software, designing, settings on slicers and 3D printers, problems you'll have with certain machines, fixes that I've done. We'll be talking about a little bit of everything. I'm going to try to upload at least one video a week, but it'll probably be more than that. We'll talk about a little bit of everything. We'll just take it day by day, video by video. When I have issues with machines, I'll start recording them and showing how I fix them. The changes I've done to each machine, I'll talk about. Talk about different types of filaments, different brands of filaments, different brands and sizes of 3D printers. So we'll be talking about a lot, and any kind of issues that come up, and different printers that I think need improvement from the companies that make them. We'll just be talking about a little bit of everything. And yeah, this is Spencer-3D. This will be the first video pertaining to 3D printing going up in the channel.